pay in hotels is much less.
And they make you work so
they
much.
make you work.
मेरे को मिलते थे 8,000 रुपये. आई जॉइंड हाइट रीजेंसी बॉम्बे. 3-3,500 रुपये एक चाल में आई यूज्ड टू पे रेंट.
तुम्हारी जैसी तो मैं बाइयाँ रखता हूँ अपने घर में. When you come in your hat and your proper uniform, तो ऐसा लगता था कि यार why not us? We can also give it a try.
I think it's the best time to start dreaming of becoming a pilot.
Started off giving a thought only to it was when I was around 32.
I think the age limit is now till 40 for internal candidates. Do you think ground schools are important कि आप खुद के पढ़ के कर सकते हो? Even somebody is retiring or 65 है, that is also a learning flight for that person because it's never ending. One of the most beautiful day in any pilot's life when you get to fly alone.
So I remember that you told me कि you know just go and get up, stop crying and get your license. Even if 1% of you feel that you want to do it, I think you should just go for it.
और आज मेरे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है. वेलकम बैक एंड द न्यू प्लेलिस्ट wherein I'm going to talk about the inspiring stories and this story has been long due because of a special person who's sitting here, Anupama. And just to give a little brief, हमारी दोनों की जर्नी जो है काफ़ी हद तक सेम रही है. हम दोनों ने होटल मैनेजमेंट किया, फिर हम कैबिन क्रू बने और उस कैबिन क्रू बनने के बाद मैं थोड़ा पहले पायलट बन गया और ये बस अब पायलट बनी है. और दोनों ही अपनी काफ़ी मेहनत से पढ़ाई करके और साथ साथ जॉब के साथ साथ वी रीच्ड हियर. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट एंड find out Anupama's journey. Welcome Anupama, thank you for joining us. Okay, how do you feel today? कैसा लग रहा है आगे?
The very fact that I'm sitting here is that I'm very happy. I wanted to share this happiness, and you've been there when I was not, I was struggling. So when I've achieved that thing, I wanted to share it with you. इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ.
तो आज ये मिठाई देने के लिए आई है हमारे पास स्पेशली मुंबई से. और इसका था कि जैसे ही जिस दिन मेरी नौकरी लगेगी सबसे पहले she'll come to अहमदाबाद टू गेट अस द स्वीट. बट नौकरी लगने के बाद ये बदल गई. और उसके बाद इसकी अपनी बाकी की प्रायोरिटीज़ आ गई. और ये कितने दिन बाद आई आज मिठाई लेके? बहुत टाइम बाद.
नहीं, ऑलमोस्ट 20 days.
ऑलमोस्ट
क्योंकि लैंड होते ही मैं बॉम्बे चली गई थी.
ओके, ठीक है, ग्रेट. सो I've got these some questions about you. So tell us about your tell us a little about you.
Okay, so like everybody else, when I was in my school, I wanted to be with my school friends. So all of us decided we'll do hotel management, and that's how I ended up doing a BSc in hospitality because with three of my
But
school
वैसे आप
friends.
हो कहाँ से आप?
Okay, so मैं हूँ न्यू दिल्ली से. My schooling, everything was in New Delhi. I am a KV student.
Right.
And after that I did my BSc in hospitality. I did it from
तो होटल मैनेजमेंट का आया कैसे, मतलब कहाँ से क्या लाया?
हाँ, तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म जो है हमारा, उसके अंडर देयर आर सर्टेन कोर्सेज इन विच देयर इज BSc इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड केटरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, जिसके मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म के अपने अपने कॉलेजेस हैं. दे हैव टू गो थ्रू एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम.
बट अनुपमा इज माय सुपर जूनियर.
Yes.
So I passed out from IHM Jaipur in 2006 and you 9.
I 10.
10. अच्छा, 2000 जब मैंने छोड़ा 2006 में, तब उसके अगले साल ही आई थी वहाँ पे. तो आई थिंक जयपुर ओनली नो, दोनों हम IHM जयपुर से ही हैं. तो वो आपने चूज़ कर लिया और फिर उसके बाद अपने होटल में. हाउ वाज योर फर्स्ट ईयर इन कॉलेज?
My first year, in fact all my 3 years, it was a wonderful time. And पढ़ाई के साथ साथ I had the best time. Jaipur is a beautiful city. It's the heritage capital of our country.
Right.
So we got a lot of exposure with terms to the industry itself while my college days. So yes, it was wonderful. And after that, during my campus placement, I got through the Oberoi Group of Hotels.
अच्छा, और ट्रेनिंग IT कहाँ से की
IT
आपने?
मैंने की थी Radisson Group of Hotels in New Delhi.
अच्छा, and how was it?
For me, it was fun. We get an experience during 6 months of time. We get an experience of every department, which helps us to basically decide that as a career which department we want to go in. And that is when I realized that I wanted F&B, but it was too much for a female. That is what I felt. So I thought of cutting down, and I took the second best option for me, which was front office. So that's how I started my career in front office with the Oberoi Group of Hotels. And
So which was your first hotel?
first hotel was ट्राइडेंट बांद्रा कुर्ला which is in
जो हमारा लेयर होता था हमारा.
हाँ जी, जहाँ पे कैप्टन जाते हैं.
हाँ.
तो ट्राइडेंट BKC.
But I never met you there. है ना?
Because,
2016 I was there.
हाँ, by that time तो I had
You
also
there?
joined Indigo.
अच्छा, correct. You joined
I
Indigo.
was in hotels but for a very short time. It
Right.
was only 2 years.
Okay.
हाँ जी.
So what is one thing hotels taught you?
Hotels have taught me teamwork
Hmm.
and how to stay focused under pressure itself, because I've seen so many people, especially the concierges. A lot of people might not know, but a concierge is a one person who can do everything. So he is a one-man show. You tell him to buy flight tickets, you tell him to buy vegetables. So a guest, yeah. And in fact, when I moved to the Oberoi New Delhi, TOND, which is the flagship hotel of the Oberois, I was a concierge, and that is when I got to know that
तो कॉन्शियस में जो मतलब मैं तो भूल गया हूँ, बट कॉन्शियस इज समथिंग जो अपनी ट्रैवल बुकिंग्स वगैरह सब कुछ सारा
exactly
काम
for
देखता है.
for general people, concierge is just a person who books cars
Travel
for
car,
you,
right.
travel. But in 5-star hotels, it's a lot more. So I have actually sent an Audi A8
Hmm.
to
Your
what do you call
boyfriend.
it? No.
Hmm. Now let's transition to your cabin crew job. So what happened? क्यों होटल छोड़ दिया आपने?
होटल छोड़ने का मन नहीं था, but honestly after certain number of years you realize that although I loved my job as a hotelier, but the pay was compared in our country, the pay in hotels is much less,
And they make you work
and
so
they
much.
make you work like there is no time to go out. आप आते हो but जाने का there is no time,
Right.
and salary is, you can't even compare it with the amount of work that you do. It's
So
very
what, if you don't mind, क्या सैलरी थी उस टाइम पे?
When I started off, I used to get 15,000,
15,000.
जिसमें से मेरा accommodation का 3,000 कट जाता था,
Right.
तो 12,000 रुपये मेरे हाथ में आ
मेरे
गए.
को मिलते थे 8,000 रुपए. I joined Hyatt Regency Bombay. So but that was in 2006. And when I went there, तो I think आपका 2 साल में हो गया था.
हाँ जी, मैं
मेरा 2
साल
महीने में खत्म हो गया था.
2 साल में
I
मैंने-
joined in June and then I was out of hotels in 2 months in August. So 8,000 रुपये सैलरी मिलती थी, जहाँ 3-3,500 रुपये एक चाल में I used to pay rent.
Yeah.
And then खाना पीना तो शिफ्ट के बाद भी I used to go in cafeteria only to एक टाइम का खाना
तो
वहाँ मिल
पैसा
जाए.
बच जाए.
It was difficult.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो फिर पैसा was the primary thing to.
हाँ, I still somewhere feel that I miss hotels, because जब भी हम लोग लेवर पे जाते हैं तो when I talk to the manager, so I used to see myself when I started my career, I used to see myself as a GM of hotel. But ठीक है, maybe different plans were there.
अब तुम GM को बोल देते हो कि साफ सफाई क्यों नहीं कर रखी है.
No, I still have the respect for them. So
Great.
मैं उनको-
हाँ जी, coming back to your
third time.
third time. Coming back to your cabin crew life, how difficult or different was it from hotels?
So difficult, absolutely no. Anybody who's worked in hotels, if he becomes or she becomes a cabin crew, it's a cakewalk. I initially used to feel कि इतना काम करके इतना पैसा मिलता था थोड़ा सा, और यहाँ कुछ काम नहीं है. And you have, the salary used to be maybe 3 times or 4 times when I started
Right.
off.
So 15,000 होटल में और यहाँ पर
और
कितने
यहाँ
मिलती
पे
थी?
when I started off, we used to get 42,000 rupees in hand. And
That is 3 times.
almost
In 2016.
yes, no,
अच्छा.
2013.
अच्छा 13 में तीन गुना तनख्वाह मिली. Right.
And I got to stay with my family.
Right.
And
And where was you got your Delhi base?
Delhi base, हाँ.
अच्छा.
तो हाँ, and somewhere if you compare it to hotels, so basically when I was in hotels, I did my graduation, I took a course and I completed and I got through and for us in college it was a big deal to get a campus placement and that too Oberois. But जब मैं Oberois में आई, I saw Frankfurt की लड़कियाँ, all these जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि you have to go through and undergo a professional course to become a cabin crew, it's all absolutely not required.
It's not required. It's absolutely your hard work कि और वो घर पर आप 3 महीने का कोई भी इंग्लिश का कोर्स कर लो, तो basically you should know how to talk, है ना,
Just work
how
on
to carry yourself,
Yes.
and you should meet the minimum requirements of becoming a cabin crew. आपके कोई स्कार्स नहीं होनी चाहिए, हाइट ठीक होनी चाहिए, वेट ठीक होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा मुस्कुरा लो, और थोड़ी सी बस एक इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन. तो 2 लोग बोलते हैं कि आपको ये डिप्लोमा मिल जाएगा, सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा, नेशनल स्किल डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन NSDC and all that, they say they're affiliated. You think it makes sense?
No.
नहीं ना. ठीक
No
है,
company while hiring ask you for all those
कोई नहीं पूछता
certifications.
आपसे कि आपके
हाँ,
पास
वो सब ये देखते हैं कि how presentable you are,
बस
how you talk, how confident you are,
राइट
जो कि आप खुद स्किल अपने अंदर inculcate करते हो, वो nobody can teach you that.
राइट एनी इंसिडेंट विच चेंज योर लाइफ और विच यू विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर तुम्हारे 13 साल का
12
करियर,
साल, हाँ.
12 साल के करियर में एनीथिंग यू रिमेंबर विच टॉट यू अ लेसन,
Um,
मतलब क्या सीख मिली आपको होटल वाले से? तो आपको टीम वर्क यू सेड
हाँ जी.
दैट यू लर्न.
So I think aviation, especially in India, is very different if you compare it with any other part of the world. यहाँ पे it's very demanding, and especially a carrier like Indigo, which is a low-cost carrier, you tend to meet every type of person, passengers, but you are, I mean, initially I used to take it on myself कि why this person is talking to me like that, but later during, after all these years I realized that there is no need to take things or words personally. So I mean, I was lucky enough that I've never had any kind of an emergency. Basic medical emergencies here and there they happen, which is okay, and we are trained to do that. So uska, it was absolutely okay. But sometimes, although we are trained for situations also, be it rude passengers or be it unruly passengers, but sometimes you also have only so much that you take from somebody. So yes, I initially used to get a lot of this thing. I mean, I used to get really irritated, but then later on I realized, so there were situations wherein I literally kept my calm, and I have gone back to the galley and I have cried out and come back to the passenger and talked to him politely and told him, and the situations have turned out really well. They don't realize it, but you, because you can't do anything else, you can't just go out of that aircraft, you are there up in the air, you can't do anything, you have to face that passenger. And at the end, if the complaint comes, the airline will catch hold of you. They will not care what happened actually, but if a complaint has come for the airline, then you are the
then
one.
the airline is also quite supportive
They are,
to the
even
crew,
the captains, they are very supportive. There was once an incident wherein the passenger was, I think, intoxicated, and he, during the beginning of the phase he was fine, but once we were in cruise, he told one of the crew in the aft, and in the aft we have junior crews, so the junior crew so the crew, one of the crew, he abused her, and since she was very new, she came to me and she was crying and she said like she cannot handle, and the passenger was talking to her very badly. He said something of this sort that तुम्हारी जैसी तो मैं बाइयाँ रखता हूँ अपने घर में. So and she really felt bad, and I also felt bad. तो जो कैप्टन थे उन्होंने he made sure that this guy does not go without getting a lesson. And he made a PA on board while everybody was there in cruise, specific for him. He made an announcement saying that passenger on this seat, if he persists with this behavior, then we will divert, and the diversion cost will be borne by him. So somewhere you feel as a cabin crew, you feel that your captain, who's the pilot in command, he's taking your side irrespective of everything else, and he took a stand for the cabin crew, which is a very good thing somewhere. Because you also feel confident, and that is when we also went to the passenger. We were professional, we did not stoop down to his level. I told him that you've heard the announcement, and if you contain this behavior anymore, then we might have to hand you over to CISF when we land. We were supposed to go to Kochi, and after that very one announcement, उनका पूरा personality change था. He was holding hands and he was apologizing, and when we landed, the captain, I think उन्होंने already जो CISF था उनको बुलाया हुआ था with the police over there, and he told the crew also, if you want, you can file a complaint against him, and I'll help you out in every possible way. And so I think these situations somewhere tell you that even though you are a professional, but you are only, I mean, sometimes you also give up.
Right.
But in such situations only you get to know how much patience you have.
Can take it.
Yeah.
Now moving on from the cabin crew journey to a pilot journey, so मतलब how did it happen?
It did not happen obviously
हाँ
overnight.
मतलब suddenly like what was सबसे पहला ख्याल क्या था?
सबसे पहला, so basically when I was in hotels, we used to have Turkish crew coming in.
अच्छा.
And I mean, the crew used to be there, the captain used to be there, but I was always very, when I used to look at the uniforms, I used to feel very
Fascinated.
Yes, I mean, they used to look really smart, all of them. तो और स्पेशली द कैप्टन्स when you come in your hat and your proper uniform, तो ऐसा लगता था कि यार why not us, we can also give a try. But उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे पायलट बनना है या मुझे क्रू बनना है. I wanted to join aviation.
But it was the aviation was your calling.
Yes,
है ना
that
उनको
is
देख
when
के.
I realized that okay,
So
I really
Turkish crew, thank you for getting Anupama here. ठीक है. You were the reason for her calling.
yes.
हाँ
So
जी.
whenever I used to look them, I used to feel that maybe I should also give a try in aviation. That is how I got into Indigo. And over a period of time, initially absolutely no, initially I was enjoying even now I enjoy being a cabin crew. I love my job, I enjoy talking to people. That's the only thing I think I'm gonna miss when I come to the cockpit, that
I still miss it.
love.
I miss the galley chats.
Yes, not more than the galley chats. I love talking to people. There are people in my contacts, not many, but there are 6-7 people that I am in touch with right now.
Passengers.
Passengers.
Did they become your good friends?
Yes.
मतलब when we used to fly international jet में तो we had a friend in every city.
Yeah.
So I'm not in touch with them, but we used to make
So-
friends in every country.
Yes, but then since I was a crew for a long time, and then and especially after I became a lead, you get more exposed to the cockpit. So yes, it always felt very interesting how things are happening, and such a big aircraft, how does it fly, and
तो फिर
captains
शुरुआत-
like you.
शुरुआत कैसे हुई?
So बहुत पहले एक बार हुआ था that there was one captain, he was I think Air Force retired.
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने we were doing Delhi Dubai, and it was a bit red eye flight, and he called me in the cockpit. I said, Anupama, are you doing something? I said, no sir, we're just done with our services, we're sitting. He said, come, I'll show you something. So he showed me the entire India-Pakistan wala border line, which was lit up, and he was so excited to show me that I mean for me it was just something that I could see on the ground, but since the way he showed me, I felt so good, and I felt so nice looking at that view, and then I felt that he loves his job so much, so in a way it really attracted me, that he's so excited about his job. And certain experiences like that, and then once when I was flying with you showed me how the aircraft turns. So that was also one thing that so it was, because I know how to drive a car, but flying a plane is very different. And
But have you ever thought, कभी था कि उड़ा लेके जा दिया, अभी यकीन हो जाता है टाइप रेटिंग के बाद?
नहीं, मुझे तो अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि I am playing a game.
Right.
It doesn't feel like, but yes, when I did my first landing, I realized that I have landed such a big plane. But
How about your first solo? But coming back to it, so how did you start? Like कैसे start हुई आपकी जर्नी पायलट की?
so I mean I was very late. I mean अगर आप देखेंगे तो I think people in their 19s or their early 20s they do this course. But I started off giving a thought only to it was when I was around 32. And initially everybody around me told me that not the right time
Right.
and not the right age. But lucky, I should call myself lucky, my family first of all is very
Supportive.
the day I told my husband, he was very supportive. You want to do it, you do it, it's okay, give a try. And my family, I'm a mother, so it's a very big thing to just leave your child and go for flying. It takes about a year on an average. So but yes, everybody was supportive, and more than being supportive, I had people who were guiding me in the right direction, like Captain Manjeet himself.
ठीक है, flight deck with chai or coffee, and they'll say, okay, see, this is where the today we are flying over the North Pole, or this is the these are the oceans you're flying, or this is the terrain where you are. So if the captains are calling you to the cockpit, and if you get to ask questions, ask many questions as you can. You may never know that you'll start dreaming of becoming a pilot, and especially when you started at 32, after becoming a mother, and I think within 2 years, now she's here with a job. So never stop dreaming, dream big, and aviation is doing so well right now that if you, I think the age limit is now till 40 for internal candidates. So it's a wonderful time, especially Air India being privatized and all the airlines have been merged. Indigo getting wide body aircraft, Akasa is doing well, Air India has got around 500 aircraft plus an order. I think it's the best time to start dreaming of becoming a pilot. So your journey, if I remember, I think हम लोग मिले थे, it was your pre-birthday night,
Yes.
है ना?
Yeah,
तो हम
around
छत
I
पे
think 2017 or 18,
27
pre-COVID, I
प्री
think.
कोविड उस टाइम पे यू आर अ मदर नो यू आर नॉट अ
No,
मदर यू आर नॉट अ
no,
मदर
no.
ओके बट वी डिड डिस्कस दैट इसके बर्थडे से पहले हम बैठे हुए थे एंड देन आई टोल्ड हर आई सेड अनुपमा
Yeah, Jaspreet was there.
जसप्रीत वाज
So
देयर
after you told us, me and her, both of us thought of
so
doing
both
it.
of them are pilots now
Yeah,
Jaspreet is
she
already released as a
is, yes.
junior first officer she's completed her line training and then next time I met with another crew was with Sabiha I think she's also cleared her training
Yes.
है ना she's also joining as a first officer now
Yes.
Jyoti along with her also
Yes.
so 4 of the crew I know from the same airline who have done well and you know they've got a job so good job तो उस दिन हमारी बात हुई आई थिंक आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हम छत पे बैठे हुए थे है ना आई हैड कम टू सी यू ऑन योर बर्थडे एंड आई डिड पुट दीज वर्ड्स इन योर हेड
Both of us.
कि करो
And both of us did that, but
Huh.
then I conceived. So and during my pregnancy also you had told me, and even
Pardon me.
Jaspreet used to tell me that Anupama. And what happened was she had started her flying, so वो मुझे अपने videos भेजती थी. You go for cross countries.
So why do you think ground school and knowledge is important? Do you think ground schools are important कि आप खुद के पढ़ के कर सकते हो या knowledge is important?
I think obviously, I mean, every subject that is there, it is there for a reason, and knowing everything about it is not something that you can do. It takes a lot of time. I'm sure the people who are flying for more than 6-7 years also don't know.
Even somebody is retiring
Huh.
or 65
Exactly.
FA, that is also a learning flight
Exactly.
for that person because it's never ending.
Exactly, and in aviation, I think everything keeps on updating itself so fast that you even if you, for example, I think there are the curricular books only that we have. They also keep on updating the books, so you just cannot say, okay, I know this particular subject very well. So that you can do throughout, but then from exams point of view, I would say that having a ground schooling is very important because even DGCA have kept 70 marks or 75, whatever it is now, as a criteria because they also know that one cannot know everything. And going to a ground school to get that knowledge is helpful and important because I feel that they know better than us that how much and what to study
Right.
in order to, achieve that criteria and get those numbers and clear your exam.
Right. So ground school is absolutely it's not important. अगर पैसे नहीं हैं आपके पास तो you don't have to go to any school. You can definitely do it from YouTube and Google. वहाँ पे
Yeah,
there's a lot of information available. There are a lot of websites जहाँ पर आप खुद practice कर सकते हो. पर enrolling into a good school would definitely help you. Find out a school who's more focused on clearing the concepts. So how was your solo? What was the experience?
Oh, it was wonderful. I mean,
हाँ.
I
और डेट याद है?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल याद है. It was World's Pilots Day, 26th April.
वाओ मेरी थी 22 मई 2012.
Wow.
I still remember it. It's
I think everybody does.
one of the most beautiful day in any pilot's life when you get to fly alone for the
Yeah,
first time.
for the first
and it is
time.
amazing.
Yes.
खर्चा याद है आपको? अच्छा ठीक है वो खर्चे से पहले हम बात करते हैं CPL लाइसेंस के जिस दिन आपकी चेक राइड थी so आराम से हो गया.
सब कुछ.
So she had cleared all her exams in one go है ना?
Yes.
All her exams in one go and to all the ladies and all the gentlemen who aspire to be pilot, you were not from a math physics. You're not from physics background
yes,
basically.
physics
She
I
had
had.
maths. What all? How's flying in India? Where did you do your flying from?
हाँ, so मेरी flying मैंने इंडिया से ही करी थी. And I think people say that foreign में you get more exposure. और इंडिया में थोड़े से rules tight हैं with regards to your cross countries. But I think I had my priorities. I had a family to look. And so I cannot have, I mean, if given a chance, if I was young, I would have definitely gone out. But circumstances, I could not go.
But ठीक है मतलब तो 9 महीने में आपका CPL हो गया और क्या
हाँ
चाहिए
जी,
आपको?
हाँ.
You got
And I think I paid around 33 lakhs. For my
33 lakhs
CPL.
for your CPL.
For my
And
CPL.
what year was it?
It was 23.
हाँ last year
22, sorry.
2 साल
22.
पहले 33 था और आज 53 में CPL नहीं हो रहा है तो you can imagine. But the most number of women pilot licenses have been issued last year around 300 CPL.
Okay.
Yeah. ठीक है. So license कब issue हुआ आपका?
22 December.
और फिर कैसा लगा लाइसेंस को देख के?
बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ, फिर उसके बाद then we started preparing for our airline exams and then how was the preparation for airline?
Yes, it was, I mean, every subject we initially went through every subject in detail.
For the airline entrance exams? How did you prepare for it?
Initially, I thought that I should do it myself. I thought that I knew everything, and whatever notes I have for my CPL, that
हो
will be
जाएगा.
enough. But I think again, like I said, for ground classes for CPL, it's required. It's
Hmm.
always better to take classes for your um, airline prep as well, because again, you have a very limited time. Once the vacancy is out, you have hardly maybe not even a month if you see. So in that very 20-30 days, you have to do everything, which is practically impossible because every subject is so vast. So it's always good to have professional guidance, and so that's what I did. And I took classes and we went through the subjects in detail. And later on, after that, when everything was done, then we took every subject. We gave exams for that, and then it was a composite for all, like how the airline exam comes. And even the exams, even the tests, after the tests we were confident with the exam. So how to go through with the GD, how to go about in the person interview, how to go about the adapt. So everything, it's always good to take a professional guidance, I believe.
ठीक है. If I remember, सारे एक झटके से पेपर क्लियर हो गए, फिर CPL भी हो गया बिना किसी चेक के, 2 साल में लाइसेंस भी आ गया. Tell us about your failure.
So वही है यार, मेरा मतलब इनफैक्ट RT if you would say, so CPL तो मेरे सारे हो ही गए थे exams in first attempt, and even RT, which people tell that it's the toughest, and I have myself seen people giving 5, 6, 7 attempts, but मेरा RT भी first attempt में हो गया था. तो मेरा CPL journey has been wonderful, and I was very happy, and I thought maybe मेरा तो मतलब people say that being a pilot is getting a pilot's job is very difficult, but everything that was happening for me was happening so smooth that maybe मेरी ही नज़र लग गई थी मुझे. So the very first vacancy that had rolled out, I could not clear it, and I remember that I was absolutely very low, and I called you and I told you that I was crying, and I told you that yaar mujhe nahi pata kya hoga, because generally the pattern is such, you get only 2 vacancies in a year, in Feb and in November. So my Feb attempt was wasted, and I was really sad, and I called you thinking ki ab to seedha November hi hai, and you told me that, I still remember those lines. I called you and I was crying, and I told you कि यार मंजीत मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है कि everything has happened so well, why this only was the most important part of my career, and this only I did not clear. So I was very, very, very sad, and I did not know who else to, because you've been there since the very first step of my journey, and this was technically the last step, and I could not make it, so I was very sad. So I remember that you told me कि just go and get up, stop crying, and get your license. So you told me to get the license, and then you told me what is the number written. So obviously I remember my license number. So I told you 21,000, then whatever. And you told me that and what is the population of the country? So 100 million whatever we have. कितनी है population?
जितने भी 1.5 अरब
जितने भी 1.5
100
अरब,
150 करोड़ जो
हाँ
लोग
जी.
हैं.
So and आप बोल रहे थे कि so in 100-150 करोड़ लोगों की population में you are the top 21,000 people who can fly the aircraft.
True, right?
Yeah. And I still felt whatever it is, I don't still have a job. So but you told me that you are the top 21,000 people, and now in these 21,000 number of licenses, there are so many people who've passed away, or so many people who've retired. So if you see the active number of licenses, there must be around 15,000. In those 15,000 active pilots, there are not even 50% female pilots. So consider yourself maybe like the 5,000 of those 15,000. So you're the top 5,000 females of this country who have this license. You've earned this license, and now coming on to those 5,000, how many females are mothers?
Mother pilots.
Mother
or started
pilots.
their journey as after becoming a mother.
After becoming a mother.
Not even 0.0001% also, right? Or at the age of 32.
Yes. So
तो जोश आ गया तेरे अंदर.
हाँ मतलब somewhere I felt कि हाँ यार मतलब मैंने, although I lost this particular opportunity, but I have achieved a lot already.
Absolutely.
And that is when I got the courage again to, because I had given up. Maybe मुझे लगता है मेरे पास लगा था कि यार अब पता नहीं कब तो opportunity आएगी, और would I be able to study all this all over again? Because it takes a lot, because I'm working, I have a family. So it's very difficult to manage everything, and studying everything all over again is very tiring. So I don't know, but then you told me that Anupama, मैं तेरे को आज बता रहा हूँ अगले 6 महीने में तेरे पास जॉब होगी. And
है आज फिर?
हाँ है.
She has a job. So
And
how was that day when you got a letter or the mail? I think you sent me.
Yes,
I
sent
still have
you.
that. No man, great,
And
great.
then I felt, oh, I know a celebrity.
So how was the evening when you got through Indigo? You got a peaceful sleep?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
you were
was
excited.
very happy. And I mean, I did not even realize that I'll be so happy the day I will have this mail. When I started off, it was something, okay, I'm doing it. And yeah, I mean, every step I had, every exam I cleared, I felt really happy. But then this particular mail or this particular, I remember the mail that I got initially, in which the very first line was, "We regret." I did not even read beyond that, and I was in tears. I don't even know, 2-3 days passed and I don't even know what had happened. I was just crying, and then I called you. And then the second mail, when my friends started calling me that they've received the mails, I was very scared to open the mail also. And in the second mail, when I just read congratulations, that's that. उसके बाद मैंने अगले I think 4 दिन बाद मेल पूरा पढ़ा होगा. But yes, it's just another feeling. I was so
I'm sure.
happy. I called you.
You've seen that movie, The Pursuit of Happiness?
Yes.
है ना? So
Yeah.
that moment when Will Smith, he gets a job and he comes out and he does like this in the crowd, he's walking and he's got
Nobody
tears.
I mean, I think
You can't, right?
that feeling only you can feel, because obviously.
What is one thing you want to tell your fellow colleagues at your airline or other airline, or women who've lost path in life and who want to do well but then they don't have courage or they overthink? Any message you would want to give it to them?
I mean, I would just say that even if 1% of you feel that you want to do it, I think you should just go for it, because when the time passes, then you will not have you will only have regrets. So that's the only thing. If you feel that you want to be it, I mean, not just for being a pilot, even if you want to
Do
open up
anything
a
in life.
restaurant, or you want to start off with a small course online, or whatever you feel that you want to do it, just I think that particular thought only, if it's coming, just do it. And galat hai, sahi hai, that is secondary, because not doing it is the worst thing.
What message do you have for people जो सिर्फ खाते हैं, पीते हैं, सो जाते हैं? 25 तारीख को उनका रोस्टर आता है, 31 तारीख को उनकी तनख्वाह आती है और 10 तारीख को लेबर अलाउंस आता है, और इस लूप में वो फंसे रह जाते
एक ही
हैं.
चीज बोलूंगी कि अभी तो आपको ये कंफर्ट जोन बहुत अच्छा लग
बहुत
रहा
अच्छा
है,
लग रहा है.
बट जब आप 30-35 हो जाओगे और आपको लगेगा अब मैं क्या करूं,
हाँ.
और आपके पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होगा, तो झक मार के
कितने
ना चाहते
लेबर
हुए
मिले,
भी,
कितने इंटरनेशनल मिले, कोई फर्क पड़ता है?
फिर
कितने
या तो
लेबर
आपको ग्रूमिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर बनना पड़ेगा.
और कितनी लड़कियां बनती हैं ग्रूमिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर? हाउ मनी वैकेंसी? तो शायद किसी भी एयरलाइन में 2, 3, 4, 5 होंगी.
नहीं, आई मीन आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू हैव गॉट सच गुड गाइडेंस एंड एट द राइट टाइम, सो जस्ट डू इट.
एंड टाइम बहुत अच्छा है अभी, है ना?
हाँ,
टू बिकम अ
नौकरियां बहुत
पायलट.
हैं.
नौकरियां बहुत हैं. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम, यू शुड फॉलो योर
Yes.
ड्रीम्स. थैंक यू अनुपमा फॉर
you so
बीइंग हियर. आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 45 मिनट्स
Is it?
का टाइम आपने दिया.
मुझे तो लगा 5-10 मिनट ही होंगे.
Thank you for coming. Thank
My
you for such
pleasure.
an inspiration. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. That was it.